Hi, and thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Well, we're in a completely renovated main floor, and we brought you in here and showed you sort of the demolition. We were here about a month and 3 days exactly. And one thing I wanted to mention, when you're doing a rental like this, whether you're doing it yourself or you're working with a contractor, a schedule of events is very, very good to have. It keeps everybody on track. And in this case, we were about probably 3 to 4 days over, but we added probably a week and a half's worth of work in total. So I thought we did really, really well in the efficiency of the job. So we'll start in here. So as you can see, layout works really well. We have our stove here, and we didn't modify or change a lot of locations of things, but it seems to flow very well when it was in here before, so we just wanted to keep it the same way. So in here, obviously our stove with our microwave above the stove, which is a nice idea. Countertop has been templated. We're just waiting for it to come in. It's a solid surface Silestone or Cambria, so it should be in the next couple weeks. And then through this area here, we'll put obviously a double sink in when we're all finished. It'll come with the countertop. And one really nice item in here, and I show people this, is it's the garbage right here. So instead of having it underneath the sink, it's really nice to have it somewhere like this. It has two garbage cans in it. There's garbage in there, but you have your recycling and your garbage, so quite nice. And then in here, another really nice option, spice rack. So everything's close, and you know, it's the little stuff that usually gets cramped in the back of a cupboard. So when you have this type of storage, it's so much nicer, especially when you're doing a lot of cooking as well. So they're just getting ready to put everything in here, so that'll be nice. In through here, hardwood throughout the whole main level, excluding obviously the bathroom and the bedrooms, which will be done in the future, but we did hardwood, and I like it. It's a really nice colored hardwood, and it blends very, very nicely with the cabinets. And the other thing too is these pulls. Really like the pulls are wide, and then again in here, great idea. So all your cutlery can slide in there. These are actually movable. You can move them back and forth. But just a little feature, maybe $130, but well worth every penny. And then over here, just a small drawer, and then obviously our door. And one other thing as we go through here, I'm just going to show you, and I can't remember last time if we talked about this, but this was a closet. So in a lot of homes back then, they had a closet in here, and basically it was your pantry. So what we did is we cut the actual closet out, we lowered it into the staircase, and look at this. Isn't that great? So all kinds of storage, and sometimes in these older homes, when you're done a unit like this, you have as much storage in a unit like this as you do in the entire house, in all the cabinets in the kitchen. So works really well, flows, looks great, and you really don't need a closet there. I mean, everybody uses it as a pantry, but this is a lot more accessible, and you can certainly use it a little easier now. So in through here, again, hardwood throughout, new baseboard, new doors, new casing, new tile. This is another thing we did. New fireplace, which was put in about 3 weeks prior to us starting. I like to have them in. And then I had Barry build us our mantle and entertainment unit. So again, met with Barry. He did the design, laid it all out, met with the customer, and this is exactly what they wanted. We did do some puck lights. So there's two pucks in either corner, wall mount TV. Chris Clark came in and hooked up all the electrical. And as I say too, when you're doing something like this, use an actual electronic guy. Make sure he runs the HDMI for your TV, hooks everything up, because once it's in, all the wires are run, and you can't see, literally cannot see a wire in here, so it works out perfect. So Barry did a great job on this. Obviously our little cabinets here, I'm sure they'll fill this with books and pictures. So as you can see, looking great. Next week I'll take you through and show you into the bathroom and through the hall. But that'll do it for this edition of Renovation Time. But until next time, be safe and have fun.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Come talk to the people who know kitchens and bathrooms. Andon Kitchen and Bath Center.